Hello everyone, welcome back to Joy Joy TV. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. My people, I don't bring another story for now today. Now for broken, now I go speak and today I go just knock for broken. If not your first time where you work for YouTube, you can enter my channel. I bet make you press that place where they say subscribe. Also make you turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you go just get them first. Also share this video with your friends and family. I go allow Namona watch this video, then I will come back, come talk with I won't talk about her.
In opposite directions and see who your kids run after. Round 1. Round 2. Round 3.
I believe say you don't watch the video. For some people we don't understand now mother and father where they run different direction. They won't know who the pikin go follow. So the pikin can't follow the papa the first time, follow the papa the second time. Even the third time where they won't confuse the pikin still shout daddy, following daddy. Wetin make me want make this video be say now some of our women, most especially the ones where they abroad, yeah. I know say some way they Africa they do, but the ones where they abroad, and I make me want speak this in for broken. I know one can they speak fina here. I go enter and for broken. You see some of our women will be say if you and your husband fight or you and your husband divorce, so now no they together again. Maybe una get very bad divorce or very bitter divorce. You can't carry children, they punish the man. You understand? Can't carry the children, they punish the man. You no go allow the man, make the man see the pikin. You can't they. You can't poison the children, make they can't hate their papa. You can't tell them waiting happen or waiting no happen. You will just make sure say the man no see the children. You won't be the only person. But you forget say you get waiting enter your Jerusalem. As that long thing enter before you can get belle, mean say no be only you get pikin. Pikin na for man and woman, no be you give yourself belle. I know say after this video some women no go like me, but onye izoku our people say if you see true make you talk am as e be. Because the thing is very popular for this obodo yibo. You go see some women wey be say once the man don't quarrel, they go first of all throw the man. Ghana must go for outside. When they throw and finish, they can't stop the man from seeing the children. Me, I know they fight for men. I know say some men their head no correct, but at the same time you and the man they fight, no be you and the pikin they fight. You understand? You supposed allow me see him pikin. Even though we say some of them court don't even sign say make the man they see the pikin. The woman go see they find excuse where you no go take bring the pikin come for children center. Tomorrow you go say you get headache, or you go say the pikin get temperature. You go find one reason. Some even go come they say the man they drink this, the man they take drugs, so that they go make sure say the man know they see in children. Some women they very good. I know say you get some men where they do am. Some men they do am, but now we women, now we worse, now our own worse. So now say make I talk, and our people where they do am, our Naija people where they do am, them plenty where, them plenty. Ha hearing name me and all la umwa obuyan on azu. Make her they speak am for English, they speak am for Hebrew. Women will be say their mind they back. That is their mind they back. You don't finish with the man, you know that is you won't make sure say. And make I tell you, some of our women, if you don't know, pikin wey man and woman train, they better pass the one where be say only you woman trainer. And one thing one I know be say once the pikin reach 18 years, now adult, he go decide for himself. And those kind children, they feel grow. Now you will be the mama. Now you they go hate pass. Now you they go hate pass. And moreover, the stress of taking care of children alone is too much. Sometimes, my dear, you need break. Carry pikin go give him papa, go rest sometimes, go spend time with your girls, your fellow women, or if you don't know what you go do, drop children with them, go park, go enjoy yourself, or go one restaurant. Why you go to carry pikin year to year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, only you they take care of pikin because say you dey vex for the man. For God's sake, make we stop this kind of thing. We don't need that kind of stress. As you see me here, me I no fit take care of pikin alone. I no fit, my dear. Me papa no be only me born pikin, Na me and am born, and na me and am go take care of am. Whether he dey with me, no dey with me, he go get the day where I go dey drop am for am. You understand? No be say the man go dey one side, dey enjoy himself. Some self na dem even decide say they no wan take care of. I know some of them wey be say na dem just decide say some women want, but then no want. I know say e get some men wey be say they know in short, I no know wetin I go call them. The ones wey be say whether na devil baptize them or abi na dem decide say na so their life go be. Some men go just leave the woman, abandon their children, they no even bothered about their children. But I know the ones wey be say they won't take care of their children, but the woman no gree. The woman just block everywhere, butch everywhere, because you know obodo yibo. Because you dey obodo yibo where dem tell you say nwaanyị nwere power, cancel on can Igbo. Yotago, I no fit explain am for English, so wetin dey there be say if you no hear Igbo, I no know wetin I go do about that one. Nwaanyị chere na ha nwere power, ha no n'obodo yibo. My dear, no be you give yourself belle. Now the man give you belle, now two of una get pikin. Make you allow the man see him children. E no stop you. Some of them say when the man don't come go get girlfriend, now that one they even scatter their head. I know say they hard, but no be you give yourself belle. Let the man see him pikin. Stop dragging the man, lying. The man do this, the man do this. I know say some men do wetin dem talk sha. Some of you my brother, una no dey try. Abeg make una change some of una bad character. Yotago, because now some of una own too much. Una own too much. So now be the matter when I say make I bring here. If you look all these Asian people, look them very very well. You don't see them say them separate or say even if them you no go even know self. Now only our own people now before you know it you go hear say you go hear this one. They will, in short, the thing don't tire me. I just make I bring her here because if I did look all these Asian people, you know they see them say them. Then they separate like that. I know they thought say make you stay with a man where be say you no want to stay with him, or a man where be say he do you something where you know like. But waiting me are there against be say the man won't see him picking. You know let am see him picking. My sister, if not the thing where you they do, if you know not the country where they do, when you watch this video, change your mind. Because might tell you that stress go make you day older than your age. You need break, you need rest. Stop carrying your children to your friend, your this, your that. When we say the papa they're ready to take care of his children, the papa they're ready to come take them sometimes, spend some time with them. It will even help your own mental health. Now be the matter when I say make I talk. If now your first time wey dey waka for YouTube, you never see my face before. You see this face, one Yocha, she Nigeria. I beg, press that button with the right subscribe. Also leave your comment. Let me know what you think. You think say that kind thing good? Where be say papa go wan see him pikin, the woman no go let am see him pikin, or woman wey wan see him pikin. Some for Nigeria, some men go pursue their wife, collect pikin. You understand? So it's just vice versa. But here when me a dey, na women own, na it was pass. Now women they do am here. Whereas if you go Nigeria, now the opposite. Now Nigerian men they do am. So it's not good at all. Nobody you born picking. Whether you're a man or a woman, give access to the children, except the man is violent, except the man get bad criminal record, except the man is not allowed to see children, then that's okay. But if the man is allowed to see children by law, I beg, let him see children. So let me know your comment. Let me know your thoughts. Leave your comments. And make you don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe or Yotago. Press that button. Yeah. I will see you now for another one. Bye bye.